Hello everyone, it's Pam here and welcome to Thai Girl in the Kitchen. Today let's go step by step how to make Massaman curry chicken. Let's have a look at the ingredients. For the main ones, we need chicken. I'm using drums and thighs today. Vegetable oil. Massaman curry paste. The main flavors are based on this one. Pick any brand you like. For vegetables, we are using potatoes and onions. Can be either white or red. I'm using both because I love them both. Coconut milk. Best to use fresh one, but if you can't find canned or carton are totally fine. We are using regular and light coconut milk. I'll show you how to make it. Water. For seasonings, we are using fish sauce, tamarind paste, palm sugar. We also want flavor from peanuts. If you want, you can also mix some cashew nuts in it. Cashew nuts are good. If not, just peanuts is fine. For aroma, we need cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, and star anise. Okay, let's prepare the veggies. Since they're going to be in a curry, we want to cut them into bigger pieces so they'll be less soggy. But if you like it soft, you can slice them. Potatoes, peel and clean. And same, we don't want to cut into too small pieces because then they'll be mushy. About this big. Just put in the same bowl with onions. We will put these two at the same time. And let's move to the stove. If your nuts are raw, fry or toast them quickly. Just 1 tablespoon vegetable oil is enough. Use medium heat. I love the smell of toasted nuts. You can actually skip this part if you want, since they'll be put in the curry anyway. Set them aside and move to the big pot. 3 tablespoons vegetable oil on medium heat. Let it warm up a little bit, but not hot. Then put 150 gram Massaman curry paste in it. If the oil is too hot, you can burn the paste, so keep the heat on medium. Stir the paste. Use the spatula to help breaking it. Keep mixing until they become one and until you start to see little bubbles. Like this. Then 800 ml of coconut milk. We're going to use a half to cook with the paste. And the other half, just set it aside first. Add 400 ml coconut milk a little bit by bit. And keep mixing time to time. Wow, smoky! Adding bit by bit will help you mix easier. Looks good and creamy. We're going to let them boil, still stay on medium heat, do not burn your paste. And during that, mix the other half of coconut milk with 400 ml of water. Stir it up, and now we get the light coconut milk. Set aside. The bubbles are popping on the surface now. Stir a little bit until you see the oil separate the layer and shows up on the surface. Season with 4 tablespoons tamarind paste, 5 tablespoons palm sugar. Jump right in, or not. There you go. And 6 tablespoons fish sauce. Mix until palm sugar melts. Use spatula to break the palm sugar so it melts easier. If you use the hard palm sugar, the one that comes out like candy, slice or cut into smaller pieces before putting in the pot, then they'll dissolve easily. Once everything is mixed well, you can taste first. I don't need to, I cook this often and this measurement is good for the curry brand I use because, like I mentioned, the main flavors are from the curry paste. Some brands are sweeter, saltier than the others. Adjust to what you like, and the right flavors for this recipe is a good balance of sweet, salty, and a little sour. And once the paste is boiled, add chicken. You can use whatever part you like, but mostly with massaman curry chicken, I'd say drums and thighs are the best because they're soft. If you use breast, in my opinion, I think it's too dry for this menu. And just do the poke, don't stir yet. Add 800 ml light coconut milk, which is the one we mixed with water before. May as well stir the bottom of the pot to make sure that the paste doesn't stick at the bottom. Add all the light coconut milk to cover the chicken. And 3 cinnamon sticks, 4 bay leaves, and 5-6 star anise. And turn up to high heat until it boils. Before it boils, we're going to start seeing the red oil separate on the surface. Once we see bubbles, turn down the heat again to medium and leave it until chicken are pretty much cooked. Will take around 25 to 30 minutes depending if you put the whole drums and thighs like this or you chop chicken into smaller pieces. That would probably take less time. Then we add 600 gram potatoes and 300 grams onions. We add later because it takes less time to cook, and if you put at the same time with chicken, it'll just be mushy and soggy. Push them, especially potatoes, under the curry. This takes about 15 minutes. To see if your potatoes are cooked, you can use fork, poke it, and if it comes off from the fork easily, it's cooked. If not, then it's just still raw inside. Once potatoes are cooked, add peanuts. Do one last stir. And you can turn off the heat. Maybe let it simmer by itself for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Now, what can you eat with massaman? Massaman curry is good to have with many things, many types of carbohydrates. You can eat with steamed rice, dip your toast or bread in it, pita bread, or my most favorite thing to eat with massaman curry, and I really recommend, is roti. I hope you'll try this recipe and enjoy your meal. Check out more Thai and Asian recipes on my channel and subscribe for more. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day. สวัสดีค่ะ